Friends, how are you? I'm Vikas from Vikas Driving School. Today I'm going to show you how to do reverse parallel parking behind the car. Lots of people, they get very confused, very stressed about the reverse parallel parking, and they fail their driving test just because of lacking of confidence. They think if they're not able to do reverse parallel parking, they're not going to pass their driving test. But it's not like that. But I'm going to show you very easy step to do reverse parallel parking. I feel doing a reverse parallel parking should not be a stress, should be very easy. In this video, I'm going to cover all the points how you need to do. If you're going to watch this video till the end, you're going to do reverse parallel parking just in a 2 minute and just in a first attempt. So in doing a reverse parallel parking, you need to do couple of things. You need to remember couple of things. First of all, doing this reverse parallel parking trick, you need to have a blind spot mirror. This small blind spot mirror, you can buy it from any Chinese shop or any fuel station. So blind spot mirrors are really good for reverse parallel parking. And the second thing, this reverse parallel parking, this trick is just specially for those people they're going for their driving test. Because in the driving test, examiner is only going to say to them, do a reverse parallel parking behind the car. They're not going to say between two cars. So it's very easy. They're only going to say to you behind one car, and if you're going to use this trick, you're going to just start to park just from the first time. So let's start now. So I'm going to take you where they're going to be a safe place for doing a reverse parallel parking, and from there I'm going to show you the step by step how to do reverse parallel parking. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I'm going to add more values, more tips and tricks to pass your driving test. Now I'm going to take you very safe place to do a reverse parallel parking. The examiner is going to choose very safe place to do reverse parallel parking. They're not going to say to you where it's going to be too much congested. They're going to say to you it's where they're going to be very quiet, and they're going to say to you behind one car. We need to park behind that black car. So when the examiner say to you do a reverse parallel parking, please give your indicator 3 seconds before. Just park your car just 1 meter away from the car. Just park your car just mirror to mirror, and you need to turn your wheel only half left. You need to turn your wheel only half left, like this. We was like this, only you just need to turn that much, just half left. Make sure, most common mistake people they do when they do reverse parallel parking, they forget to do 360-degree check. So you make sure before reversing you need to do check left, right shoulder check, and the rear shoulder check. This is very important. Most common mistake people they do in their driving test, and that's one critical error if you're not going to look back. So make sure whenever you reverse, look back and then start to reverse slowly. No need to give accelerator, just slowly start to move, slowly start to move. You don't need to worry if the car is standing left and right, someone is coming, so they're going to wait you, because the people they know you're doing reverse parallel parking, so they're going to wait for you, they're going to give way for you. And the second stop, you need to, when you're about to touch that white concrete line, that gutter line, then you need to stop your car. When you're about to touch that concrete, you need to turn your wheel full right, and slowly you need to start to move back. Once your car is straight, and just park close to the car. I'm going to show you from the outside how its positioning is going to be look like.